everyone, it's me Anushka. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a very chill sort of vlog after a really long time. I realized that it's been a while since I've made one, so here you go. Basically in today's video, I'm going to share with all of you my nighttime routine and it's going to be very chill. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's dive right in. So right now it's about 9 p.m. and I just uploaded my reel right here. And right now I am gonna edit for a while. I love editing during the night once I'm done with all the work and all the postings and everything. Even though this is also work technically, because I feel like I'm a lot more productive during this time when it comes to my edits. So yeah, I am just gonna edit for a while, then I'm gonna have my dinner, and then I'm just gonna freshen up and go to sleep. I really want to go to sleep a little early today for some reason, also because I feel a little tired. But yeah, that's the plan for now. Okay, so I am done with my editing, I'm done with my dinner, it's time for my nighttime skincare routine. And honestly, this is my favorite part of the night, and most people prioritize their daytime skincare routine, but a nighttime skincare routine is equally important because your skin is at its highest repair mode during this time. Daily exposure to internal aggressors like UV light leads to oxidative stress, which continues in and through the night. And because the skin repair and regeneration is at its peak during the night, it is the best time to treat your skin. Speaking of which, did you know that vitamin C is an equally important nighttime skincare ingredient as it is for the daytime? Speaking of which, if you're looking for a potent, pure vitamin C serum, you need to check out this Garnier Bright Complete Overnight Booster Serum. It acts as a shield against oxidative stress and limits the reappearance of dark spots. It has a pure and stabilized concentration as it has 10% pure vitamin C and a vegan formula. Also, it has 0% alcohol and 0% silicone, which helps to reduce melanin production and works to repair your skin overnight so you can wake up with brighter skin. It's also so lightweight and gets absorbed so quickly, which is so impressive. I actually have been using this for a while now. You must have seen me using this in one of my YouTube shorts too, quite a few months back, and I can totally vouch for this one. I will link it down in my description box so that you guys can check it out. Okay, so my skincare is all done. I am actually going to read for a while before I go off to sleep. But that's all about my little unwind routine for the night. That's all about my nighttime routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this cute little vlog. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.